Hey Centric friends, I'm Kelly here with another week of Live Better tips. As we transition to spring, let's freshen up our financial spaces with a bit of spring cleaning. Declutter your expenses and review your monthly subscriptions and expenses by cutting out any unnecessary costs. Use Centric's budgeting tools to categorize and organize your spending. Keep your financial account secure by updating passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Digital Document Detox will tidy up your digital financial documents by organizing files and updating your passwords. Refresh your financial goals. I want you to revisit and refresh your goals for this year. Just adjust as you need. Check in on your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Find these tips and more at mycentric.org.